welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne says that he tries everything to make his life better. You have to go and catch the story as to what he's talking about. There's some things that are going on with him, and you know, um, it's hard, really hard on him, with his situation and everything. So, guys, go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies that's celebrating their birthdays today, have yourselves a wonderful day. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, you're not celebrating a birthday, but remember, we still love you too. So have yourselves a beautiful day today, and remember to always keep that pleasant smile on your face because no one is allowed to take it off unless you give them the power to. No matter what someone says to you, their exchange of words to you, or whatever they do to you, unless you give them the power to take that smile away, they're not able to. Now, when I say you give them the power to take that smile away, it's when you give in to what they say and you start getting upset when you give in to what they say and it make your day bad. Now, you have to realize that people will say what they have to say or want to say, but it's for you to not give in. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
She says, there's a part of my body that doesn't look right. Something might be happening. Let me just put it that way. Let's put it that way. And now, the other day when my consultant called me, I not to tell my thing when my consultant tell me the other day because me don't want her to like be worried about me too much. Them have enough to worry about already. And the fact she come to my house yesterday and she saw what she saw, she had to ask me questions about things she's seen on my body that doesn't look right. So I feel like me I'm mad out. Every time I try so many things. I try so much things. I don't know what me not try. I don't know what me don't try. I try so much things to make my life better. And every time I try, it's like I go 10 steps backwards. Everything we try. Everything. And then people that want to come mock me. And on the down on the half, I try new things every day. Every God Almighty day, I get them to try something new. Like my friend them say, listen, don't do this. I'm gonna say, all right, cool. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna cut out so much things. I changed the name. Because I'm tired. I'm just tired of some things and you person. Right, so listen, I feel okay. Maybe it's time to just do something different. I'm tired. And these people, they don't mean me well anyway. So what's the point? They don't. Or no, don't mean me well. Mostly on this page, you don't mean me well. I don't want to smoke out and cuss people and turn myself into a fool and ridicule myself. And then again, sometimes I feel like the people they do deserve it, but it's not every day I want to get up and behave like that. I don't want to get up every day and behave like that. I don't. And I don't like this name. I don't like this name. The person who told me about it, I actually don't like this name. I'm very sorry, I don't like it. And I've got to wait a whole 6 days before I can change it to something else. One whole 60 days. I'm trying, that's why I run away from the trending name. I want to run away from the trending drama name. I want to run away from it now. Because it doesn't mean me well. It does not mean me well. And nothing you don't mean me well either. I'm getting, listen, I feel so, yes, anxiety, exactly. It's not about, it's no, forget the name. I feel like every day I'm suffering from anxiety. Every God Almighty day. When it's not something, it's something else. I say, honestly, God, I can't come talk some things out, because if I do come out here and speak, I know for a fact there's going to be some people out here that are going to use it and ridicule me and drag me down to way, just drag me down way more than how them drag me down already. Right? When they're not dragging me down, them dragging down my family. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I'm tired of this nonsense. You know, since yesterday, my page name, I swear to God, more than, I say more than 200 people, they left. But I'm glad they left, because those people clearly were not for me. They were only come over here because them didn't want me for just do the nonsense things I'm used to doing on my page. So I'm kind of glad they're gone. I'm glad you guys are gone now. Enough don't mean me well. You don't mean me well. You don't. And I did say I'm gonna delete most of my content off my page already. And I'm gonna take me look at time. I know it's gonna take me a long time to go through all of them, but I'm gonna take me a little time, and I'm gonna delete all of your everything with that will people. I'm gonna delete all of it. I'm gonna take it all off, because it's not sending a good message, and it's not who me want to be no more. You see this social media thing? You see social media? Social media can break you and it can make you. I promise you, it can. Exactly. You see, Carol, you said the same thing I was about to say just now. I said the same thing before I saw your comment. It's true. It's true. And when you know there's people out there who's hell bent on bringing you down, I'm telling you, it's a whole another ball game. A whole other ball game. I promise you. I mean, imagine they really want to bring down this page. It's a lucky thing I have, you know, as smart. Why I'm able to come in here and do a live stream. I'm just smart. But trust me, they really want to bring down my page, and it's full time. I can't allow them to take my little page from me. This is my little happiness. This, you see, right now I'm stuck here. Well, when we're done, I'm gonna still be stuck here. This is my little happiness. I got nothing else. I got nothing else. So why should I make this taking my little happiness from me? That's madness. I can't allow it. I can't. So if this means I'm gonna have to like move away from some people, then I'm gonna move away from them. And I realized since yesterday I changed the page from last night. What time was the live stream last night? From a change the page name, I'm telling you, a good 200+ people come off the page. And my question is, why was they on the page from the beginning? I feel like said they were sent here to help bring down my page, and they were sent here to keep bringing down my videos off my page. You know, ask me how many times I've lost monetization on this page, and I tell you why I lost it, because they was attacking my page. But I just didn't talk about it because me never make it bother me. It wasn't bothering me like that. But what happened on the 4th? That one really hit a nerve. That one really hit a nerve. I'm telling you. If nothing else hit a nerve about me, what they did to me on the 4th really hit a nerve. I swear to you. I swear to you. It did. I've never in my life had so much people hate me. I swear to God, never. I've never in my life had so much people want to see me fail or perhaps die or something that's not good. They're always wishing bad for me, always. And maybe just maybe those are a lot of them. They've removed themselves from the page yesterday, through to today. Even right now as we speak, even right now as we're speaking, I bet you some of them have gone off the page too. I bet you. But it's fine. I'm sure not all 80,000 is gonna leave. I'd rather you people leave now. I'd rather they leave now because it's about time. It's about time I take my page into my own hands and take control of my own take control of my own destiny. You know? Don't use that word on my page, Psalms, please, because I know for a fact those people were attacking me too. I know for a fact. I promise you. Don't use those things on my page, please. I just want to be at peace. You see? Even more just came up just now because they realized I changed the page name. You know what was holding a lot of them on my page? The drama, the trending drama. That was what's holding them on here. The drama aspect of the page. They wasn't here for me. They was not. They were just here to speak. However, yes, that's what was holding them here. That's it, Yolanda. I promise you. I promise you. I'm not mad. I'm really not mad that you guys are unfollowing. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's about time a lot of you really do go and leave me be so I can make my page how I want to make it. And attract people to me who's going to come on board and support me for me and my stuff. Per se, my stuff. I really am upset though. I'm upset that I chose that name. I didn't know it was going to change. You know, a lot of times I did try to change the page name and it didn't allow me to change it. So I'm shocked last night when I tried, it actually allowed it to change. I didn't know. If I had known, I would have chose something that's more fitting to what I want and not. Then again, the bureau is like an office, but I don't want to be no damn office. I'm not working. I'm in no damn office. What somebody in an office? I can't work in an office. That's great. What the hell am I doing in a damn office? Can I work? I can't work. I can't. Exactly, Yolanda. That's what I want. Thank you for the share, Carol. And you know, Yolanda, when you see, ever since last night, you've been going about this damn meme, even going about this damn meme. Like, you saying these things to me is making me feel like, Lord Jesus Christ, like, why did I do this, you know? Uvi, you are one of the most sincere person on here, and you know I know this, and you know this too, right? It's a shame that you know some people who I really valued, they've decided to just I don't know. I'm not working from no home. I can't work. I'm not working from home. I won't accept that. Come can't work. Even if I wanted to work, I couldn't work. I couldn't. I still have a lengthy time frame left on my other page. You see, it's a lucky thing I have a lot of phones, right? This is why I was able to come on this page. Because this phone can't come on this page because they got this phone blocked. But this phone is not blocked. If that makes sense. You probably won't get it. This phone is blocked, but that phone ain't blocked from coming on the page. That's why I was just doing live on my other page. I'm not seeking forgiveness from people, but all I will ask people to extend to me is my peace of mind, so I can just move on in my life. I'm really, really done with a lot of things. I'm done with a collective of people, because these people, they don't mean me well. They don't mean me well. They don't care about my. They don't care about me. They don't care about me none at all, right? They don't care about my well-being. In fact, I'm sure a lot of them, they would have liked to see me fail, or even die or something along that line. Because I'm sure I've seen a lot of comments from people where they wish these things on me. They do. And I'm only human, and I'm telling you those things. If you was me, it would have bothered you too. It would have bothered you. It would have. It would have bothered you. In fact, Sam soon come. Oh God. Does any of you know what frozen is? Imagine the people in God. Does anyone know what frozen is? Does anyone know what frozen is? Imagine I can't even hold the damn audience. Furosemide. Furosemide. Do you know what it is? Imagine. That's what my life has. Trying to look at me, not telling my damn business. Not telling my business. Some of you don't even deserve to know my damn business. Yes, furosemide. I take it every day. Every day. There's no day that go by where I don't take it. And when you guys see me get up, it's because of that damn furosemide. That thing's making my life a misery. For the last 7 years, my life has been so miserable. I wish I was not in this position. I wish I could change things. But I can't. Exactly, Janice. My kidney doesn't function how it's supposed to function, so the doctors, they give me furosemide to help my kidney out. And you're gonna tell me I should get up every day and be in stressed out from people I don't know? It don't do nothing for you? I don't know. Maybe they're not giving you a strong dose. Maybe. There's another one called daprofloxacin. Yes, diuretics. Diuretics. That's what it. You're right, Yolanda. It's so harsh. So harsh.